Hi friends, welcome to LR Virtual Classroom. Today we're going to talk about the Power BI report server. You may ask why we need only Power BI servers and Power BI desktop, why we need to talk about Power BI report server. It's also an important application that is available and you need to understand the usage of it. Let's get started. Power BI report server is specifically for the on-premises report server that is available for you to display your KPIs, have your Power BI report created, and you can also access and distribute to your users and have mobile applications as well. You can also create your paginated reports that you saw in your Power BI service. You can have your data source from your SQL server as well. For installing the report server, you have to go to powerbi.microsoft.com, look in for the report server and then install the file. When you install, it will notify that you need to have a database engine as it is specifically calling for the on-premises data sources. The point to be noted while installing is that you need to have a premium capability of a Power BI for you to use it. Otherwise, the free edition calls in for only 180 days. When you have a premium capability enabled, automatically you have a Power BI report server that you can access for the on-premises reporting purpose. This is an email link which you can use, which I have given in the description as well, where you can go and download the SQL server as well. Once you have done with these two installations, let's see what are the usages of Power BI report. As Power BI report is part of the Power BI Premium, you need to install the Power BI desktop, which you will start creating your reports by pulling the various data sources from your on-premises. And once you start creating your visualizations, you will publish it to the Power BI report. And then you can distribute to your team members and access in the mobile application as well. It looks very similar to what you have heard in the Power BI servers, but there are certain things which is making the Power BI report server very different to Power BI servers. Let's see one by one. The first being the Power BI desktop. Yes, you cannot use the Power BI desktop which you have installed from your Windows for Power BI service that you can use it for Power BI report server. The Power BI desktop is different for both the report server and Power BI servers. That is the main difference that you need to know in terms of report server. Microsoft itself has given a very detailed link about talking about the differences between the report server and the Power BI servers. This is a link in the Microsoft document which has given a very detailed description about the various features that are applicable in both report server and Power BI servers. Let me walk through the important ones for you. The first is the terms of deployment. Report server is available for both cloud and on-premises data that are within your organization, whereas Power BI service is called in specifically for cloud reporting. And the important thing for licenses, you need to have a premium license available with the SQL server, whereas for Power BI service, you can have a pro or a premium license. The release cycle for the server is 3 times a year, whereas every month you have a feature updated for Power BI servers. You can create reports in both, whereas you cannot create dashboards in your report server. As you saw in the presentation, you can have your KPIs and Power BI reports that you have generated from the Power BI desktop, but you cannot create a one-page dashboard in the report server. The next important thing is you can distribute the group of reports using the applications in the Power BI service where it is not possible. Question and answers, quick insights, analyzing in Excel, all these features are not available in the report server, whereas it's available in the report servers. In both the applications, you can create the paginated reports. You have access to mobile applications. You don't have an email subscription in report server, whereas here we can have an email subscription. There is a data alert concept. With this change of a data source, if you have any alert set for a metric, automatically your email alert will trigger for a particular metric in Power BI service, whereas it is not the case in report server. Lot many features like a cross drill through and also many to many relationship between your tables, and using the R scripts and visuals or using the Python scripts and visuals are not possible in report server. We cannot preview the features here, whereas we can preview as and when you create your report. All these are the very important descriptions you need to understand to the difference between the Power BI report server and the Power BI service. The first being that the Power BI desktop being used for both is different. One is available with the report server itself, the other one is available when you download from the Microsoft Store. Hope you have understand about the Power BI report server and its comparison it with the Power BI servers. Stay tuned for many more videos in future.